Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the TP and SL strategy. So basically, if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video. If you're a returning viewer and haven't subscribed yet, please do. That's basically how it helped me grow this channel. So let's dive right into it. So first things first, select a trade you want to trade, then you go over to the this area and select TP and SL. First of all, TP means take profit and SL means stop loss. So what it means is that if a price reaches a certain point after I bought, I want you to take the money and my profit to my account. Then stop loss means if this trade I entered it doesn't go as planned or in my directions, please close at this specific amount. I don't want to lose all my money. That's basically what it means. So if you have been reading everywhere or you have been watching videos trying to figure it out, this is what it means. So I'll show you how to apply this in trading view. So let's head over to trading view so you see how to apply this strategy, right? So here you can see we are on trading view. That's so USDT spots. So if you're in trading view, after I've done your analysis, like I always say, if you don't have trading view as a trader, you are playing. Where do you do analysis in, right? So you can see there are two options here. You can see this option here, this one I'm moving, and this one. That's basically the take profit and stop loss in trading view. So let's first of all find out our support and resistance zone, because you can't use TP and take profit if you don't know the direction you want to go, right? So first things first is you use this arrow. Let's find our supports. This feels like a very nice support, right? You can see the touches, right? Although it's not that precise, but yeah, it can still work. Then we say this is our resistance zone. It has touched here multiple times, right? Yeah, we can use this as our resistance zone. You can see the touches here. That's why I'd say it is a zone here. Here you can see multiple touches here. Then another touch here to make the area solid. Right, so we're not doing analytics here. I just want to show you how the take profit and stop loss works, right? So if you have found out this now, the current price of this trade is at 190. Current price of so is $190, right? Now if I want to take profits, right, I'll set this. If I'm buying this trade right now, I'll set it at that current price, right? Now once I set it at that current price, why is because I want it. I'm putting three orders in my buy bit. The first order is I want to take profit once it reaches this resistance zone, because basically the logic is if this price increases from here, it should go over to the next massive resistance zone before it falls back down. That's basically logic, right? Now, so we want to say this price, this is where we're buying it at. We're buying it as $190, right? $190 or 100 we're buying it at $190. That's the price we want to buy this trade. But then we don't want to enter without taking profit and putting our stop loss to secure our funds. So we'll say our take profit will be at 246, while our stop loss will be below, slightly below, or you give a little more space below the support zone, because if you break the support zone, it means the trade has gone against you. That's the logic behind it, right? So now if you want to put this in our buy bits, we have to find out the whole area, right? So the first area we want to find out is the current price where we are buying it at $190. So we'll go over to buy bits. Okay, yeah, remember the current price we want to buy it as, we're not buying it as 1.92, we're buying it as 1.190. We're not buying it at 192, right? I'm buying it at $109. So this what this means, because it's in the limit, you can see the limit here, it means it will enter in the other area. Once it reaches 190, it will trigger. Now if we want to put our TP, we'll put it at a higher amount. We can put it the same amount with our entry, that's $190. So let's find out where our take profit is. So like I said, I'll take profits once increases to this point, because this is a resistance zone. So I won't take profit at that point or before that point. So let's make it before that point, so I will be on the safer side. That's 27% profit. You can see it here. It shows this two shows you the exact profit you'll be making from each trade, right? So yeah, so once we take our profit at 242, so we go over here. This is basically how you set it after doing analysis. Go over here and set it at 242. Now what this means is we want to buy this zone at $190. That's what the price we want to buy it at. And in my analysis, I know that so we increase to 242. So once price reaches 242, then sell off my, so give me my capital and my profit as well. That's basically how take profit works. So take profit means setting it ahead of time so that they will take out your profit once you make money from that particular trade. If your analysis goes well, you make money from that trade without you being online to execute it yourself. If you have any questions you want me to make in a video format, then you can drop it as well in the comment section, and I'll do a video about that and post on the channel. So I mean, that's basically how we go to the channel, right? Building community and helping you guys as well. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed and you're a returning viewer, please do. I mean, let's take this channel to 1K subscribers. So yeah, let's go.